Hello everyone and welcome to Great Lakes Boats and Brokerage. My name is Ryan Evans and today I'm going to be showing you a 1997 Maxum 3000 SCR. The boat is 32 feet 8 inches overall with a beam of 9 foot 11 inches. Boat's equipped with a pair of twin 4.3 liter rated at 190 horsepower apiece. Hours on starboard engine is approximately 650. Hours on port engine is only 25 to 30 as a new motor went in 2017. The owner of the boat has full engine logs and full maintenance records, brand new isinglass camper canvas along with bimini top. Up at the helm you'll have a Garmin 210 GPS with plotter, a handheld GPS that's also Garmin, that's a 76C model. Shifter and throttle controls are on the starboard side along with full gauges up at the helm. Walk through windshield going forward to make easy access to go up to the bow. The VIP seating right there in the photo that goes forward. You'll have plenty of storage underneath that seat for your life jackets and safety gear. Looking down into the cabin you'll have full berth going forward, full galley with 2-burner electric range, refrigerator with a little freezer, sink with hot and cold pressured water. There's your maintenance and your ship's log right there at the table. Mid-aft cabin. It's actually a very spacious mid-aft cabin for a 30-foot boat. And finally your head system. Manual head flush, sink, hot and cold pressured water, and a full shower. Thank you for viewing the 1997 Maxum 3000